Hey guys and gals, I want to share with you a video today of this Matson ship that has been docked over here at the old Alameda Naval Air Base. It's been docked here for, as of today, 251 days according to Maritime Tracker. I've seen it often and I just wondered why it's sitting here so long, and I figured, heck, let me just go fly over it, take a look and see, what kind of cool things we can, discover. Flying with the Phantom 4 V 2.0, the Phantom 4 Pro. Some interesting facts about this boat. It was built in 1973. That's a long time ago. I was born in 1972, so that's 47 years old. That's crazy. I mean, how often do you stop and think about, the life expectancy of a ship like this? I never have, but 47 years, and according to Matson's website, they do take and each vessel, within a 5-year period gets dry docked 2 times for inspection. So, they know what they're doing, I'm sure. But this one, I don't know why it's sitting here so long. It's, like I say, it's been here for since April 26th of 2020. And the day I recorded this was 12/12/2020. So anyway, it's been here for a long time. A couple interesting things to note about this. In 1973, the first registered owner of this vessel was United Californian Bank. And then in 1984, First Interstate Bank became the registered owner. And in 2006, Matson, 33 years later, became the registered owner of the boat and got the title. Imagine being the guy to make the last payment on on this boat. Yeah, I got the title. 33 years later, $500 million. It cost. I don't know if that's what it cost, but I looked around on the internet and that seems to be kind of the going rate for, boats like this, 500 million. 33 years, you pay it off, get your title. You're good. Anyway, but check this out, man. This is this boat in length, 761 feet, 232 meters. It's pretty incredible boat, and it's one of those, they call them RORO boats, and not a rowboat, but roll on, roll off. So apparently it hauls containers and then it can roll on and roll off vehicles, that it's transporting also. What all that means, I'm not really sure, but thank you, Wikipedia. But there's lots of information on this vessel, just by looking up the IMO number. And what I do want to know is if anybody can tell me what that dark area is along the boat right there. I mean, it extends all the way down. My guess is it's probably mud or something from low tide. I don't know. I'm not really a boat expert, not even a boat beginner. So I just know that they look incredible, and it's just an amazing feat that these things can float. So if anybody knows what that stuff is, that's my guess is it's mud, but let me know. And look, you can see right there the trampoline area. How cool is that? Big trampolines. These guys must have a good time on this boat. Just joking. I don't know what those are, but they look like trampolines, man. But how incredible is this boat? Look, I'm going to shoot to the left here and take a look and see just how long this thing is, man. They got the container area there where you store all the containers. And I guess to the right, that is a parking garage there. My guess is that's where they park vehicles. It looks like a parking garage to me. And it's huge, man. But in the back, you can see some of the, USS Hornet and some of the naval ships that are been turned into a museum there in the Alameda Naval Air Base. But look at those yellows, man. The yellows on the paint and stuff. And for a 47-year-old boat, I mean, you can tell this thing has some age on it. It is definitely rugged looking. I cannot imagine if you were to recount all the journeys that this ship took, what the map would look like. It would be like full of tracks. I'm sure in 47 years this thing has seen some miles. It's brought stereos and food and lumber and cars and raw materials and frozen foods everywhere, man. That this boat goes, it's bringing consumer products. So that's pretty incredible to think that these boats transport all that over the water. It's just a really, really neat thing to think about when you see these things out there that, they go back and forth to Hawaii and stuff like that, places that can only get, products delivered that they don't create there, on the island. So that's pretty neat. And I see these ships all the time out here in the San Francisco Bay. They've got oil tankers and, container ships and, just various types of huge ships like this waiting to come into port and unload or load all their goods. But, this is just a neat vantage point to be able to view a ship like this from. But this boat sure could use a coat of paint, I'll tell you that. It definitely has some age in it. It's probably in much better shape than I am at 48. That boat being 47, I'm sure it's got more life left in it than I do. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate you watching. I really have a good time sharing these cool little exploration videos with you. If you haven't done so, follow me on Instagram at insightful_imagery. My website is insightfulimagery.com. Also look for me on Facebook at Insightful Imagery. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next video. And have a great holiday.